Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Atlas Gray Smoke White interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i in Black Sapphire Metallic. I've just pressed unlock, so we got the DRLs showing up there. If I press and hold panic for 1 Mississippi, pathway lighting is on, so we can light up your pathway, which also displays the full low beam system. I'm going to do a lap all the way around the vehicle. I can see we've got red calipers, 20-inch individual wheels, which look awesome. The L-shaped taillights also lit up, looks sweet. And now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got Black Sapphire Metallic. I don't know, black cars are the hardest to keep clean, but I love how they look when they are clean. And I love how they reflect everything. And I also love how they show off the body lines, how they do. And of course, up front and center, BMW Rondell. One piece, high gloss black kidney grille with the vertical slats. We also have the active grille shutters behind there, front facing camera. Front plate bracket is on, and down here you can see that we've got all these little intricate honeycomb patterns. There's another active grille behind there, and there's functional air on either side going into the intercoolers and the wheel wells and all that for aerodynamics and for cooling. Now, let me just get these headlights back on, they look sweet. If I take a closer look at these headlights, these are the BMW LED shadow line headlights. We've got the black housing in there, and with the inverted L shapes, looks real good. And of course, if I get the low beams on there, you can see that all shining up, and all the little patterns and stuff in there look real good. And if this pulls up behind you at nighttime, looks sweet. Now we've got the M Sport package on here, so we've got the body colored over fenders, and here we have the 20-inch individual 869 wheels in midnight gray burnished with the red M Sport brake back there. We also have body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera. Black roof rails up top with the panoramic sunroof. If I take a step back here, you'll see we've got beautiful proportions here in the sports activity vehicle. We also have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. We also have the M welcome light carpet, and we also have Hofmeister kink, and I can see this car was also tinted to match the rear. New style antenna, spoiler on the top here. There's your rear 869 individual 20-inch wheel with the red caliper. And if I come to the back, you'll see that we have those L-shaped taillights lighting up. I also like how they're sculpted in three-dimensional. They're not just flat to the car. We also have all these little triangle patterns, which look awesome. BMW Rondell in the middle, rear wiper arm. Got some badging here, and we got your rear diffuser, and the exhaust is there with no visible tail light or tailpipes. I've got the key with me, so if I do a swift kick underneath the middle of the car, we can get this to open up the hands-free way. Once it opens up, you got a cargo cover here, which you can undo. You can have 2 and 2, 4 grocery bag hangers in total. Little netted area, 12-volt plug on this side with a plastic bin. And down here, you'll see that we have the tire inflator kit. We also have the wheel lock key and tow hook, carpeted mats, lots of space under here. And when you're done with this, there's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but you can definitely just kick your foot underneath the middle to have this close the hands-free way. Beauty. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, 1 click. There's a little spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, 1 click. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, there's that beautiful Atlas Gray Smoke White interior. These Veganza seats look awesome, and headrest can flip up. We also have an armrest in the center with some cup holders, and we also have a string here, a string over there, and another string over there. So if I pull the string, The seats can be folded down in a 40-20-40 split, and there's also 1, 2, 3 positions for recline, and this rear center passenger seatbelt can actually retract up into the ceiling by pressing this red button here, which you can actually do with the buckle. We also have some vents on the back of the center console with 2 USB Type-C charging ports, some illumination and rear ventilations underneath the front seats. We've got the winter mats in there as well. We also have the black headliner, and we also have the handle on each side with the coat hanger on each side and some lighting. So now that we've had a look into the back of the vehicle, let's shut this door and we can go to the front passenger door next. Now if I open up this door, you'll see that we've got some ambient light going on in here and the beautiful door panel with the smoke white and the Atlas gray. I think this interior color choice actually is so nice. And I also like that it goes onto the speaker mesh with the Harman Kardon sound. Pockets in here, full power seat. Look at the bolstering on this, actually looks really good. And I like that the lower panel, kind of like if you get the Castnea interior, is also in smoke white. Ambient lighting, glove box, got some vents, stitching on the dash here, a soft touch. We have iDrive operating system 9 on the touchscreen here and the curved display. Wireless charger, cup holders, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, a 12-volt plug. There's a little storage area underneath here, more storage here. There's your push start, gear selector, and volume wheel. So now that we've had a chance to look through here, let's shut this door. We'll go open the driver door next. If we approach from the driver door, let me open that up. You'll see that we have some nice stitching going across, memory seats, ambient light. Windows were just tinted, so all the one-touch windows, all 4, are underneath the sticker. Side mirror controls, tailgate release, some pockets. There's another shot of the beautiful seats in here. We also have the M Sport steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock. Head-up displays over there. And up top, we've got the panoramic sunroof, shade open. Interior cameras also here. We also have some garage door opener stuff over here as well. And if I just get into the driving settings real quick, take a look. So we've got some cruise control that'll mitigate speed and distance. And we've got all the self-parking stuff with the 360 cam as well. So now that we've had a look at that, down here we've got your pedals. Here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls, as it says on the little release lever. So when we arrive to the front, you don't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin power turbo. This one produces 241 horse, 295 torque. We got the strut bar going across, positive battery, negative battery, and we got washer fluid over here. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, you literally just have to throw it down. Beauty. So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around, and let's get those lights back on. Beautiful. And just look at the profile of this car. It looks so nice. And once we come back here, I'm just going to press lock 3 times on the key. 1, 2, 3. And there's your remote engine start, cold start. And once we get back to the front, 1, 2, 3 again. And active grille shutters open up, top and bottom. And once it has a chance to breathe, which probably doesn't need to breathe too much, they'll shut down again. There it is. So how do you like this spec 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X1 xDrive28i in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Atlas Gray smoke white interior and 20-inch individual wheels with red calipers. How do you like this car? I think it looks awesome. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram at AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.